If you are genuinely seeking to break free from financial struggles, I encourage you to pause and pay attention to the insights I'm about to provide could significantly alter your financial trajectory. By the end of this video, you will grasp the reasons why adhering to these daily steps can significantly enhance your financial situation. Each of these elements gradually accumulates in the background, leading to a situation where your financial resources begin to operate in your favor rather than hinder your progress. Before we start, make a commitment to yourself to watch this video all the way through. The final step is where everything truly comes together. Let's begin by addressing a common misconception. Financial hardship extends beyond mere monetary constraints. It's a perspective shaped by routines that diminish your potential on a daily basis. By addressing and improving your habits, financial success will naturally follow. Let's proceed methodically, one step at a time. Step number 1. Take charge of your morning. To take charge of your finances, individuals with substantial wealth typically begin their day by focusing on intentional activities rather than responding to notifications or engaging in distractions. They start by establishing a clear objective. Before reaching for your phone, consider this straightforward question: what action can I take today that will bring me even slightly closer to achieving financial independence? Document it. When your actions align with clearly defined goals, your mind shifts from uncertainty to focused execution. A single, well-defined step each day can significantly alter your overall financial path. Step number 2. Monitor each dollar as if it were a valuable asset. Funds do not vanish. They are merely redistributed without your consent. Every dollar you spend should serve a purpose. If you don't direct your resources wisely, they may end up benefiting someone else's financial goals instead of your own. Individuals who achieve success view their money as assets that are constantly working to generate additional wealth. Those who are financially struggling often regard them as temporary guests, present for a brief period, then departing swiftly. Utilize a notes application, employ a spreadsheet, or simply jot it down on paper. The important thing is to keep a record. Without measurement, growth becomes elusive. Do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Step number 3. Prioritize nourishing your mind over your appetite. Each video, book, podcast, or mentor you engage with serves as a valuable resource for enhancing your understanding of wealth creation. Ultimately, achieving financial growth relies significantly on mindset, with a smaller portion attributed to the technical aspects. Broadening your perspective reduces the chances of being misled by shortcuts, quick gains, or poor guidance. Consider substituting an episode of trivial entertainment with content that enhances your understanding of compounding, cash flow, or business strategy. In 6 months, your mindset will align with financial success, and your life will begin to mirror that transformation. That's the case that happens with most millionaires. Step number 4. Transform your evenings into an additional source of income. Many individuals spend their evenings recuperating from a job they dislike rather than investing that time in creating a future they are passionate about. The 2 to 3 quiet hours after work represent a crucial opportunity that distinguishes those who merely dream from those who take action. Leverage these opportunities to develop a valuable skill, offer a service, or produce engaging content. The digital landscape has created equal opportunities. A single skill, a freelance project, or a unique concept can transform into a sustainable source of income. Once that occurs, your entire financial landscape transforms. Step number 5. Maintain a lifestyle that costs less than your income. while also envisioning greater financial possibilities. Frugality is not synonymous with deprivation. It's essential to establish space for development and expansion. Every dollar you save is not just sitting idle, it's an investment in your future. When you invest in assets such as index funds, side businesses, or education, you initiate a process of silent compounding. Individuals with limited financial resources often prioritize spending on comfort, while those with greater wealth tend to invest in opportunities that provide leverage. Before making any purchase, consider asking yourself, will this contribute to my wealth or merely enhance my appearance of wealth? Step number 6. Establish your essential fund for unforeseen circumstances. Consider it a safety net, a fund for financial independence, or a reserve for peace of mind. It's not solely about finances, it's also about maintaining mental well-being. It's about having the assurance that when challenges arise, you will remain steady and resilient. Begin with an initial investment of $100, followed by an increase to $500, and then aim to accumulate an amount equivalent to 1 full month of your expenses. Observe the transformation in your confidence as you come to understand that you are no longer just one paycheck away from financial distress. The confidence you cultivate will empower you to expand your vision, enhance your negotiation skills, and make more informed decisions. Step number 7. Implement automation for your positive habits. Many individuals do not succeed not due to a deficiency in motivation, but rather because they depend on it excessively. Automation eliminates emotional factors from the process of maintaining discipline. Establish automatic transfers to your investment account, automate bill payments, schedule dedicated reading time, and set workout reminders. Ensure your positive habits are consistently maintained without relying on daily motivation. Consistency yields results that surpass the impact of mere effort. Step number 8. Evaluate your surroundings. Surrounding yourself with individuals who frequently express dissatisfaction about the cost of living can lead you to adopt a similar mindset. Engaging in discussions centered around growth, investments, and opportunities can stimulate your thinking and help you identify potential pathways to success. The influence of energy can spread rapidly and impact those around you. Evaluate your relationships and eliminate distractions. It is essential to cultivate a positive environment to foster a wealth-oriented mindset. Step number 9. Understand the terminology of finance. The terms equity, compound interest, appreciation, and cash flow go beyond mere financial jargon. They represent the language of liberation. As you enhance your fluency, you will unlock a greater array of opportunities. It's important to recognize that financial success often eludes those who lack a clear understanding of money management. Consider dedicating time to read a chapter each day, viewing a daily financial breakdown video, or following a knowledgeable expert who simplifies complex topics for better understanding. That is all that is required. Step number 10. Focus on generating value rather than just taking in resources. Each time you develop something new, be it a product, post, service, or solution, you enhance the value within the marketplace. The marketplace consistently rewards value with financial returns. Many individuals tend to rely solely on the creations of others, which often results in financial stagnation. Adjust the ratio accordingly. Take the initiative to be the one who creates, rather than merely observing. Now, here's the reality. Remaining in financial hardship isn't a misfortune. It's a pattern of behavior. Starting today, you have the opportunity to reshape your habits. When you commit to taking thoughtful, consistent steps each day, you will find that poverty is something you can transcend rather than a battle you must endure. When purposeful action aligns with your goals, financial success is inevitable. Before you move on, consider taking a small step right now. Open your Notes app and document the one financial decision you will implement within the next 24 hours. Consider focusing on monitoring your expenses, dedicating time to read a chapter, or establishing an investment account. Take action today, as progress is the initial indicator of financial success. For now, you must watch the video on the right side to know that how $100,000 means you're 1/3 of the way to $1 million. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.